Alright guys, in today's video, this is my car. This is just a little bit of information and what I'm about to do here. Alright, I'm about to reservice my AC system. I'm gonna close this door. Once it get dark, I gotta put on my high beam lights here. Alright guys, I am gonna service this Honda Accord. This is my personal car. In order for you to do a AC service properly, I want you to vacuum the system. Vacuum. Do not just throw in, push in, throw in Freon. All right. I have an AC Freon can here. This is empty. It's been sitting around for so long. This is for show and tell. All right. You can use this, but if you get your system to work properly, have it serviced, right, by a mechanic. All right. So what I'm about to do here is I am about to use this machine. All right. Every 2-3 years, I do service my AC system, right? There's a sticker here somewhere. You will see an AC sticker. Usually it's close to the AC line somewhere, like right here, right? So, let me give you a little bit of information. Right here, it says max 19.4 ounces. That's close to 1 pound, all right? So I should have 1 pound of a Freon in the system, all right? And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this AC machine here. This AC machine is gonna recover everything. Pretty much it's gonna suck out the oil, whatever it has in there, right? It's gonna take about 4 to 5 minutes to do that. So all the oil is gonna come in here. And I did get my oil ready right here. That's the oil. This is the injection that goes. I'm gonna show you how I do this. And this is just showing tell, like I said, all right? A lot of people use these cans. My last video I did, I don't want to touch that positive there. My AC connector for the compressor was loose. All right, I did check the fuse relay. I was about to check the power into that cable right down there, and I discovered that connector was loose. I said, I gotta fix that connector up. It's in there, but I want to have it properly in there, right? But anyways, I'm about to run this machine. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna recover. Let's enter here. We still have 10 pounds to go before this machine locks up, so we're not gonna change the filter yet. So it's gonna recover, guys. Once it recovers, I'm gonna do 20 minutes of vacuum. That means it's gonna suck everything out of there. These lines are gonna get a little softer than what they are. It's gonna be suction of all the pressure, all the air, everything, all right? When you use this can, you're not doing that. Pretty much you're pushing so much pressure into it, it's gonna be overcharged. Sometimes you will have cold air, then once the Freon disappears, it pushes the Freon. You have hot air pressure, just the air pressure because you did not vacuum. You'll have cold, hot, cold, hot. So every time air comes through, you're gonna have cold, you're gonna have a hot air. So that's gonna be intermediate, on, off, all right? Pretty much your AC is gonna throw hot, cold, or it might come down. So do it properly, guys. You can use that can to test it, to charge it up, to diagnose the problem, but then take it to a mechanic. Pay 100, 200 bucks, 150 bucks, whatever the mechanic charges, and let him do the service properly, all right? And do add oil to the AC system. It does need oil, all right? So let me let this machine run, and right now it's sucked out only a little bit of a Freon. Let's see if it goes close to, oh, there you go, it kicked into 5 minutes. All right, so let's give it 5 minutes and I'm gonna come back, all right? All right, guys, the machine has finished. Well, it has finished its 5 minutes, but right now it's about to drain oil next, and we will see oil come out through right here. So the proper way to do AC service is make sure you suck everything out of those lines and everything. So it's gonna almost start pumping oil right through here. You're gonna hear like bubbling in here, right? So I'm gonna just hold the camera right here so you guys can see. It's gonna come out right through here. There you go. See that? Perfect. All right, while it's doing that, it's gonna show us how much Freon did it pull out, all right? So let's give it a moment. It's still shooting out the oil. Too much oil is no good, guys, so make sure you go by specs. And too little oil is no good. So we recovered barely, not even a half a pound, all right? 0.6 ounces, all right? Barely nothing in the system, all right? I know my car has a problem. It usually leaks, but I could not trace it down, all right? And but it gives me good 2 to 3 years of time before it completely dies out on me, all right? But it could be the condenser, it could be the lines. I did notice a lot of buildup on the lines there, but sometimes you could get away easy, guys. So in the oil here, you can add dye, all right? You add dye and then you could trace it down with the UV light. Anyways, let's do vacuum, all right? So let's press enter right there. And it's probably gonna ask me for leak test, which I'm not gonna do leak test. So let's do 20 minutes. 20 minutes is a perfect amount of time. All right, leak test really doesn't determine it. Sometimes it's a puncture outward, so when it sucks in, to suck out the vacuum, it clogs, blocks the hole. So 20 minutes vacuum time is gonna be good. Once it vacuums, we're gonna throw in this oil into the low side. The reason why I want to vacuum first is because once you vacuum it, it's gonna try to suck everything back in. So once that thing goes in, it's gonna just take it right in, all right? I have noticed when I don't vacuum, it will not push in because, like I said, is the bottle empty? If you have an empty bottle, it's not really empty because it has air in it, right? So you cannot push something into it when it's already filled with air, right? That's why I do not recommend those cans, all right? So let's wait 20 minutes. Okay, so my machine beeped. There you go. Vacuum complete, all right, guys? So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna add, hard to see, but I have oil in here, all right? This thing measures it, so every car is different. So make sure, I don't know how I'm gonna do this with the one end. All right, guys, I'm gonna have to put the camera down here. Right there. And all I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try to close this cap. All I'm doing is turning the top. And I'm gonna wipe it down a little bit. Next step is, let me grab my light. We're gonna remove this, all right? Sometimes it will suck it back. That will be determining that you have a bad valve. Very easy, guys. I just turn it. I don't even need to hold it because the vacuum pressure is inward. It's just sucking it right in, all right? There you go. This is done. Oil's in the system. Let's put this valve back. There you go. So the oil is in the system, all right? Press any key. We're gonna charge, guys. So this arrow here needs to go on the charge. Enter. No, we don't have electrical compressor for the hybrids. Continue. Let's look for 2004. Enter. This is a Accord. It's a Honda. Forgot that part. It's a Honda. And it's a Accord. It's already there. Enter. This is 2.4 liter. You see that right there? Enter. It's gonna ask me to charge. Which side do I want to charge in? Continue. 1.2 ounces. All right, so that's close to a little bit more than 1 pound. So okay, we're gonna select the both. I'm gonna charge from both lines so it has enough room to enter. All right, so let's press enter. Let's press start. It's in progress. There you go. The lines, I can feel them both cold. All right, so guys, that's the way you're gonna service the system properly. All right, properly. That's the best way to do it, the right way to do it. You can damage the AC compressor if you're putting too much pressure into it, all right? Because it's gonna overcharge, probably blow lines, all kinds of nonsense, all right? But anyways, charged, it's done, all right, completed. All right, guys, so that's it, done. And do not forget to put the caps on, all right? See, I have the caps right there. Always, guys, put your caps on, all right? High side, low side. That's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and like all my videos. I did check fuses and relays. Perfect, guys. So that's how we do this job properly.